Alright folks, this is a Ford Taurus, a 2015. We're going to change the wiper blades. Alright, the wiper blades are shot. Look at this one. You can see how old this one is. It's already ripped apart up here. There you go. This one here is the same. Okay, so it's time for wiper blades. Taking them off, it's a lot easier than putting them on. Okay, I'm going to show you. This is the Duralast brand that I bought. Flex blade. Comes with all kinds of adapters. Comes with 4 adapters. Okay, they're numbered. The one that we're going to use here is number 4. And this adapter comes out. This is number 1, this adapter. Alright, so depending on what brand you have on there, this particular one, I don't know what brand it is, but you see there's a little push piece here and a push on the other side. Just squeeze them together. Okay. Once you Sorry, dropped you. Still there? Yeah, everybody's still there. All right, we're gonna squeeze this here together and you're gonna pull it out. And the wiper blade's gonna come out this way and out. Okay, it's gonna swing up and out. Voila. Now the other one, I'm gonna put you on this tripod here. So I'll show you how this piece snaps in. Alright, so the way this piece snaps on and off is basically you're just going to grab this adapter, grab your blade here and just grab it and just rip it off. It'll snap off. Okay? Now you're going to get the adapter, which is number 4. Number 4 has a little, see a little hook there? It looks like a little round barrel looking thing. There's the barrel looking thing there. You're going to line up and you're going to snap it on. Like that. Okay? Now the way this is going to go on is you are going to put the back in first, and then the front is going to snap on, okay? Because the front is going to lock into here. So when I kind of slide this in, lock the back portion up first, and then we're going to push it up, and it's going to lock in the front. Okay, this is going to be flexible, and lock it in, and we're good. All right, you're going to feel a little tension here, because this one here, this little tab here is going to give you a little spring tension. All right, so when you push it in, you're going to feel this tension. This is going to snap in and lock in, and then this is going to lock in here. All right, let's see if I can set you up this way. All right, it'll be a little harder for me to show you on the tripod, but I'm going to show you here. Okay, right here, this piece is going to go inside this little slot here. Okay, you're going to push it in there, going to hold it in there, and then this piece is just going to anchor and snap in. All right, so let's see if I can set you up this way. See if I can get you to do it. Got to slide in, up, and then this is going to snap in. You're going to see it right up close. This piece here is going to snap in. Ready? There you go. Okay. Once that snaps in, you are good to go. Okay. Pull on it, tug on it. It's not going nowhere. You're good. All right. That's it. Thanks for watching.